Oh, you. Oh.
Yeah, I'll hold the camera. But I want you to shoot Clayman with an exploding pellet.
Okay.
And you get to see what it does.
Alright, I've got everything set up. It's already recording. Okay. The zoom is where you expect it to be. You can stand back. Alright. Is Pellet already in here?
Yep.
Alright. You can zoom in a bit if you want.
I did.
Ow! That's loud. Hey.
Okay, so what has happened is the plastic sleeve.
Yeah. Has
All the ones I've found are empty,
Yeah.
completely void of any evidence they were anything. And then a small lead BB
Oh.
was in there.
It fell into the trash.
Yeah. But that BB is going deeper into this material than the large pellets, the 177 caliber pellets.
Probably because it's smaller mass.
Yeah.
Must be.
And it's behind the explosive, so it's going forward, helping the explosive go off and going through the explosive.
Oh, you'd think the explosive would be behind it, propel it.
You would think.
But I guess then what would maybe it's like two sections of chemical and the BB pushing them together causes the explosion?
I think it's just snap and pop type material.
Just the impact.
So I think they would pop even without the lead ball, just from the impact. I've also shot it backwards and it still exploded.
Oh yeah, so that.
But the chance of it tumbling because of the ballistics, I would guess, is higher with the weight in the back rather than in the front. Interesting. I only shot it backwards from across the room, 20 feet to the back wall.
Mm-hmm. So it feels like it would hurt.
Yeah, I at first thought it wouldn't do any damage, and then I started realizing it's doing damage to things I'm shooting.